Hey guys, it's Posh with Terry here. I wanted to tell you a little bit about our Posh Man line, but I know some of you learn in a little different way than others, mainly boys and girls. We all learn different. So I have made something very cool just for the man line. Ready? Ta-da! I made a flow chart. All right, guys, stay with me. Number 1, are you a guy? If you answered no, do you know one? Yes. Yes. Great. You're in the right place. Go to step 2. Step 2. Are you over 18? No. Go get your mom. Mom? Yes. Okay, great. So if you're a guy over 18, or if you're a mom, let's talk about shaving. Go to step 3. Step 3, do you shave? No. Okay, beards are cool, but you still need to pay attention, okay? Yes, you shave. Great. Let's talk about the good stuff we have to offer here at Posh. Now, the first thing is the Hairy Beast Shave Gel. There's aloe vera in it, which soothes your skin, and citrus and botanical extracts moisturize, so you're going to have a close shave. It's in an herbal and citrus and mossy musk fragrance, so it smells really good, really manly. And you can follow that up with the Calm the Beast aftershave. Now this is going to soothe and hydrate your skin. It's got aloe, glycerin, jojoba, macadamia oil, and it's also got that herbal citrus and mossy musk smell, so you're going to smell fabulous. All right, so we've got done with the shave. Do you shower? No. Okay, guys, that's just gross. Axe body spray is not the same. You are not 12. Go take a shower. Let's try again. Do you shower? Yes. Yay. Great. Let's talk about the different kind of soaps you use. Okay. Number 5. Do you use grocery store soap? Yes. Stop. Stop it now. Go look up the word tallow. It is so gross. You're not going to want to use grocery store soaps anymore. No? Great. Let me tell you about all of the products you can use from Posh. My favorite is Hunk Chunk. This is so good. This goes along with our man line. It's in the same woodsy, citrusy, musky smell. It's so good. It's a carbon and pumice type soap. You're going to absolutely love it. Hunk Chunk. Now there's other choices you have too that aren't specifically part of the man line, but you may want to consider. One is Rolling in the Deep. This is a great one. This is Heavenly Hemp and Passionate Palo Santo Wood. This has a real earthy, woodsy smell, so if that's something you enjoy, you would want to try Rolling in the Deep. Now also, you guys sometimes forget to take care of your skin, and that's okay. Us girls are here to help you with that. You will want to get a Porefect bar. It's not a part of our man line, but this is great. It's a tea tree cleansing bar. It's going to feel great on your face. And the last one, which is also one of my favorites, the Gender Bender bar. This is a detox charcoal bar. It's going to really deep clean your skin. This is also great if you work on cars or if you play sports or anything where you get greasy, grimy, dirty, yucky. You'll want to get a Gender Bender bar too. So there you go. There are some chunk options just for you. Okay, great. Let's move on. All right. Here we go. Number 6. Do your lips get chapped? No. Yes, they do. Don't fib. Yes, they do. Yes. My lips get chapped. You need to see the Man Balm. It is great. Now, this is the old packaging. Don't freak out. It's the same good stuff inside. It's a Man Balm. It's got peppermint oil in it. It's going to make your lips feel all just tingly good this winter. You'll definitely want to get some to keep on your nightstand or in your car or truck or gym bag, any of those things. So get yourself a Man Balm. I insist. I guess the last question I have for you is, are you ready to try Perfectly Posh? No? Then you need to start this video all over and watch it again and again until you change your answer. Are you ready to try Perfectly Posh? Yes! And go to poshwithterry.po.sh. I'll be watching for you.